In Microsoft Excel, how you can replace format of a cell with format of another cell. Let's say your manager has given you this table or this sheet and he has asked you just to replace format of these light blue color highlighted cells with format of this cell. So how you can do this instantly? If you don't know anyway, obviously you will just simply select this cell, you will 2 times click on this format painter and then you will start changing format of these cells one by one. Obviously it will take a lot of time, right? So how we can do this instantly or quickly? For this, first of all we need to select our full table. So obviously we will use shortcut key Ctrl+A. So we have been selected our full table. Then we will use shortcut key Ctrl+H and it will open find and replace window. Then what we want to replace, obviously we want to replace this format. We want to replace this light blue color highlighted format with this format. So we want to find these cells that they have this format. So we will click on this small arrow, choose format from cell. So we want to find this format, right? So now in preview we have this format. So we want to replace with what? Obviously we want to replace with this format. So we will just click here, choose format from cell. So we will select the cell in which we have format that we want to use for all these cells. Now we simply need to click here, replace all, and here we go. Instantly we have been changed format of these 35 cells.